Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is my subject today and I want to make some kind of watercolor type image. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil type drawing type image. This is by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Not much find edge, huh? Maybe just a touch outline of her face. Well, but I'm gonna use this layer to get some kind of interesting effect. Changing blend mode or something later on. Well, turn it off right now and I'm gonna move this empty layer in between these two, then turning down this main image, even though I gotta see that density and expression about this picture. Well, I'm gonna paint on her face and get nice expression. Watercolor brush, watercolor round detail. Now I'm gonna add layer 4, well, wash flat, real soft. Kind of interesting. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go for eyes, add layer, and let's see. Okay, brush down. This is the tone of her face. It's not gonna, I don't want to put so dark. Light. But see the difference of the colors. Okay, brush down. Now let's see the skin tones. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now I go some skin tone theme. Now I'm gonna go for her hair, add layer, and well, I'm gonna use overall base color with wash flat. Okay. Now hair. Okay, go now. A little more goldish and just touch more lighter color. Now this time pretty much dark color. Tone this one down. Okay, overall base color, I'm gonna add layer here. Nice, interesting texture, isn't it? Very nice texture. I like that. Okay, wait for march down. I gotta see the hat. I'm gonna add hat. Okay, hat layer is gonna be under the hair, but over the face. So, which means in between these two. I'm gonna add layer here, then draw the hat. Okay, about this feather. Interesting. Okay, so far, okay, I'm gonna add some more skin tone, a little bit more. What I'm gonna do is main part of the hair, face, expression, and skin tones. Alright, now I want to make some more little touch of the chop I'm doing. What I'm doing is, yeah, okay, hair is 80%, base color is almost 80, same thing. Now I'm gonna merge down, well, these two. Okay, merge down. Then I'm gonna add layer, then give it more, little bit saturated color, highlight side. Okay, let's see, turn this one down, and I want to see the base. Now I'm gonna march down to this base image, both 100% opacity. Okay, march down. Now I'm gonna add this highlight again. Okay, about this much. Then, well, let's see. I'm gonna, before create empty mask on this base image, I'm gonna, I wanna check this pencil drawing type image, turn it on, then normal about, well, 50%, change blend mode to, this is overlay. Well, interesting, touch too strong. Pencil drawing type image, about 50. Now change the name, overlay 50. This pencil drawing image. Now, then, I want to make this skin tone to be more saturated, nice color. So, add hue saturation on the effect underneath. Now I'm gonna saturation up. Goes to yellow. You see the skin tone. Now bluer color goes to a little bit more bluer. Okay, then overall hue is yellowish, so go to a little bit more nice reddish, just touch. Then saturation a little bit down, that's too much. That's kind of emphasize too much, huh? Overall, this is a little bit down, tone down. That's what, let's see. Just turn it off. Okay. Now I touched this face color to be a little bit reddish. Okay. Now I'm gonna make, now I'm gonna create empty mask, invert mask. In this case, just to reveal, we'll get some dry media, Conte crayon, biggest size. For illustration, touch. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, nice. I kind of like this. Hey, strange. Yeah, I kind of like this. Let's see, mask density off. Yes, okay. We have. Okay, now change the brush. Graphite. Let's see. This is pencil drawing type image. Overlay 50. This is overlay 50 and that's it. Okay. Now I want to see. Yeah, I want to add catch light on this with rough pencil. Touch. Okay, now I'm gonna use. I'm gonna add layer. Then use rough pencil again. Pick some brownish color. Then use that ruler. Now I'm gonna make a line to outside on this layer. Okay. Well, that's it. This is it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea to make some kind of illustration or something you would making creative work. Well, thank you, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.